There are all these signs saying do not feed you, and you really want us to ignore them and feed you, don't you? It just doesn't seem fair. Look, here comes another one. Yeah, that's not actually food, sorry. They look like they'd eat right out of your hand, but with a beak like that, I'm not giving them anything. Now, these are flightless, except for short distances. Now, these are actually more or less flightless parrots, and there are signs everywhere saying don't feed them. But he's really keen to find some food. He's on top of our van at the moment. We're going to have to get him down before we can leave.